Welcome back, my peeps, for another video. They are back one more time, you know what I mean? So in today's video, you can see by the title and the thumbnail, you know, we'll be revamping the whole, you know, exterior, the landscaping, you know, we'll sort it out proper. You get me, I say? So, you know, when we complete this Airbnb, you know, the second Airbnb, you know, we are gonna make the whole thing have a whole different touch, because of course this is the existing Airbnb that we're sitting at the front here. We not left it out. We'll do some improvements with this space as well. So this whole changing up of the driveway will impact it as well to make the thing more nicer, you know. Yes, see the guys them here, them there and unload the bricks. We I use mostly these greys. You know, to me, I prefer the grey. It have a more nicer, ageless look, you know. And we just put in just one or two little color, probably about 10%. It's gonna be color just to kind of make it pop a little bit, you know. We're gonna remove that stretcher right here, so because of course this stretch will lead up to the new space. Now give me near a quarter of that strip here, or maybe a third. I have another bridging to come for some. I leave back some for myself too, and then I give my brethren the majority, you know. Because I don't promise him from before. But lady next door asked me, so I give her some to see him, you know. But they on it, you know the thing though.
Video is sponsored by Koenig Polish. You can find the description for this product and for purchasing in the description box below. So Koenig is set to clean everything. When I mean everything, I mean everything. Stovetop, polished surfaces, porcelain, smooth rubber, clear coat, glass, acrylic. It has nano-sized particles called carnivore, and that's what is used basically to fill in those little nitty-gritty corners of the surfaces that you're cleaning, and to basically restore and to protect. So it's here to clean, restore, protect, and shine your products. All right, today I'm going to use it to clean my stove. All right, so let's go. So my stove is a polished surface, right? It's white. That means that you can see over time with cleaning, with continuous cleaning and rubbing and scrubbing, you see that we have some browning areas right around the burners. All right, I'm giving it a good spray. So let's see if the Koenig solution can do this, become more for Earth and start cook me dinner. So the instructions are, you shake the can, spray it onto your surface, then you use your rags to clean in a circular motion. After cleaning in a circular motion, you use the second one to smooth and to shine, to basically to rub and to make it all shiny and nice. All right, so let's go. Let's go. So I'm cleaning in circular motions. So it's basically breaking up the grease that was on the stove. I'm definitely seeing that. And this is a white polished surface. So as you see, we have some scrapes that were on our stove from before due to cleaning.
It definitely does a good job. It looks shiny. It would have been so nice if we had this cleaner from the whole, you know, from
when we first got to our stove, right?
It would have been so good if we had this cleaner from we first got in the stove. It wouldn't have developed all these scratches right here.
Yes,
that's
definitely,
for sure.
definitely. So basically, it's getting off all of the dirt, the impurities, getting in there, all from one spray, and you don't have to use a scrubber.
Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Nice.
So basically, this is our kettle, and I always keep it on the stove. And what you're seeing right now is basically splashes of oil that has developed on it. So I'm gonna apply, because it's all this also, the Koenig polish can also clean stainless steel. Okay, so we're trying it on our kettle. All right, so let's see. Leaving it right there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Brand new.
It is nice and shiny. As you see, it brings back the shine to your stainless steel appliances. As you can see, our kettle and our microwave right here. So Koenig polish is definitely doing a good job. And remember, you can use it on your headlights as well. You can use it on your glass. You can use it on a lot of surfaces. They say Koenig cleans everything. For purchasing of the Koenig polish, you can find the link and all the details in the description box below. And today is Sunday. Adrian gone but in business. No, not true. Adrian gonna work. Aww, I feel so sad because he's not home today. I'm used to him being home on a Sunday, and I'm basically here by myself and Kyrie and Jaden. But we are in a quiet moment right now, thank God. Right, Kyrie's asleep. Trust me, if you're never asleep, I pianize. So I'm gonna make dinner, and I'm also going to show you a product that we featured in this, that will be featured in this video, called Koenig polish. All right, so stick around. So let me tell you what I'm gonna be cooking for dinner. It's gonna be short and spicy. May I go the easy route? So last week I actually made this, and I'm making it again this week, because if it's nice, why not do it twice? Them they love it. Them even eat off all the food before time. All right, I'm going to be making chicken. I'll be making baked chicken, baked whole chicken, and I've already seasoned it up. You see my little pan right here. It has a lot of juices simmering in it, so it's seasoned up and smell nice. I'm going to do roast chicken. I'm going to do twice baked potatoes. I think I've done this for him at least once already, but I'm going to do it again today. A bit different from what I did last week. Last week I did mashed potato. Today I'm going to do twice baked potatoes and with some fresh tossed vegetables, and I'm going to make a banana cake. Because I'm putting this in the oven, I like when I'm putting things in the oven, I also put a cake in. I think it's because my mother normally do it. So whenever I'm putting something in the oven, so I always take the opportunity to put a cake in. I'm always used to love that. I look forward to it. I'm like, yes, you're gonna make a cake. You're gonna make a cake. I used to be like, yeah. Yeah, nice again. So make we cook some food and get ready for Adrian to come home. Alright guys, so my stove clean. And if you're watch this video all the way through, you realize that we actually used the polish that I was talking about to clean the stove, clean the microwave, and I'm going to use it to clean the table behind me in a little while. But yeah, stove clean, ready for cook. So clean the belly gas. Alright. I love using this. So what I really like about this dinner is that it's so easy. I just set it and just time it. You know what I mean? Start my stove, bake, start, and it just go on preheat. Gonna oil my pan. even though I just started my stove, my oven, I still do, because I'm putting chicken in first, I don't even wait for it to preheat. Like, whenever time I'm done with the chicken, just put it in. Right? And I like it to go rise and fall. We need just cut my chicken in a two, people. That's what's so easy about this too. I just cut the chicken at the back in two, like so. Season it, and then now we just put it on my plate or in my dish. Just put it in my dish, like so. Spread her out, and see there. And to go in the oven. Twice baked potatoes coming right up. Wash them already. Just let all of them know. And this is what I'm doing. Scrub them down already. Just oiling them up. Oiling it up. Then I'm gonna juke it with a knife. I juke it with my knife. I juke it because sometimes potatoes can be a bit hard to cook like this. I don't have any foil paper, so I can wrap it up in a foil. So it's gonna be basically, going on like this in the oven. So I'm gonna go juke it up so it cook faster or bake faster. Alright guys, potato done. Chicken should be finished too. I'm gonna check it by basically cutting right here. You see that, Jaden? The fact that it is white, yeah, white juice come out there, white juice running out. See there? Yeah, means it's done. So I'm just gonna give it a nice coat. And my sauce here. Put a nice thick coat on it. Oh, make sure I run out the something tight first, Jaden, come. What I want to do is to take out all the water and the juice out of it to make my gravy. Pour it into this. But I don't want my chicken to slide out and it's hot. So I'm going to ask Jaden to help me. So I'm holding this. Come Jaden, you just hold the fork. Carry the pot closer. Just hold the fork. Ooh. Ooh. Nice and strong. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So now I have all of my liquid from the chicken. All you got is hold the fork so the chicken can slide. Yeah. So I'm gonna apply my sauce again now. Put it back in for a few minutes. Properly. I'm gonna put this back in the oven just so the sauce can sit on the chicken, not to really cook it. Banana bread done, and I got a few muffins out of it. Set, and yeah. Now I'm gonna start with my potatoes. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Guys, the double baked potato is like loaded potato.
Okay, so this is ready now to go in the oven. May I put in this first, then take out the chicken and yeah. Alright. Really fast another cut, I think. Oh, a trusty little cake there is starting to yeah.
This is ads, like advertisements. I wonder if anybody said the first word every single time people are like, and finally, love. How old would you be if you were born 10 years ago?
10. Okay guys, so gravy is finished. Getting nice and thick. Right consistency. Sweet, savory. That's the note that I'm going for right now, and it is perfect. Okay. All done. And just carry a bit closer. Now I'm frying my plantains. Oh, so I had some left over from my banana pudding that I didn't put in the pan, so I made little muffins with it, and them done.
Yeah, so I'm home. I was at a meeting today. You get me, I say? Work meeting and thing. But guess what? I'm still have to watch the France game. France are my team, you know. You get me, I say? France battle a little side today. Mbappe scored some good goal today. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, food looks good, man. We're digging right now. Right now. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So,
let's eat.
Yeah. Guys, so when I see the progress with the driveway, you get me, I say, so yeah, the guys will be finished soon. That's not a DR2 and them done, you get me, I say? But yeah, this looks good. Looks good. Time to dig in.
Jesus, Kyrie, you're violent. Time to dig in his potato. Yes.
Yep. Yeah, with them a kind of food there, the draft for the knife and fork, you see it?
It's good?
Really good. Excellent. No, what's going on? It's really good.
Nice.
You think you struggle, Jay? Jay, you struggle? I cook baby food.
As a mom, you never eat. They have to eat. Okay.
Alright, so where we are right now. So they already dig it out, then them put gravel.
No, plastic, then gravel.
Plastic, then gravel, and then the sand.
Then we write it off after.
To make it level.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man. You afraid of camera? Yeah, man. So these are the color coordination where we are work with and the formation, you know. So we just work with the rectangular. Mostly, as we say, as them call it, charcoal, and then we do some grey.
Random.
You know, and randomize it.
Yeah.
So I eat this, you know. So come all the way up.
That is starting first.
Yeah.
So, by tomorrow, you see the outcome. You see it?
Alright.
Yes,
Over here, so tractor come dig out, but the tractor go return to finish the film thing, you know. Scrape up all over here, so, and make the thing look good, official. Yeah. Yeah. You see it right come around here so. So the brick them are gonna lay against the house. So we have to walk in it. Yeah. So I notice the card line, the brick not go with the card line. What the reason for that?
Alright, you see the card line? We run the card line half of the house.
I turn the camera up on you, yeah. Yeah man, don't start now man, you don't have to worry yourself.
We run
man.
the card line half of the house.
Yeah.
So you catch the lining. So say if the house lean, the brick have to lean with the house.
Yeah.
So if we run it different from the house, the brick are straight and collect the house gone so.
Yeah.
So and I like
the lining, and for the level, and more.
For the level.
Okay.
The lining and for the level.
Okay, and for the direction.
Yeah.
The direction.
Yeah.
So okay, I see you line up with the I get what you say. So these are the first set of brick them where you want. Okay, you want the right formulation, the right formation.
So when I go that way,
yeah.
You know say you lock back in our one the wrong ways.
Yeah, yeah.
So and at the level of the brick.
And you, at the direction of the house flow, you want the brick them flow in the same direction.
Yeah.
So what you want to talk about? Right up here, so. So basically the same spacing, the card is from the house. Same spacing, go all the way up there, so you have one uniformity with the brick them. You know?
Everything straight with the house.
Everything straight with the house. Yeah. See them there? Got up them thing.
Room this a come from, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Room this a come from, you know. I know so them road still the boat.
The cobblestone road them, yeah man.
Yeah. Still the boat. You're right about now, them are the future in our roadway, you know.
Yeah.
I see them start the downtown on water lane.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Eh?
I go out with things, man.
Luke Street and we do Luke Street, you know, you walk with them, you know.
Oh yeah, say, eh?
Go out with things, man.
I love a walk. Me always repair over walk.
Okay.
Okay. That's good, man.
All Port Royal.
Eh.
We do Port Royal, man.
I say go, eh, that big stretcher down there.
Like the over
The pier, yes. That's nice.
I when the corona thing, when they say woman come in our place, at the time everything does mash up.
Mash up. Grass is that, you know.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
Yeah, man.
We are the Chinese them. Alright.
Yeah, man.
I like them, should I like them in the country for true. Not them.
Lock man. The only thing with we, you know, we're not self-sufficient, you know. That'll be your downfall. So you have to just learn off of Corona, you know. Corona is a blessing, you know. You have to learn off of it, bigger things out there ahead the way tough.
So based on all the slope now, the road, this road here, slope go down to the roadway, you know. So yeah, the driveway slope go down to the roadway. So in the water, one rainfall just run off. Yeah, and of course the plastic here prevent the weeds from coming up through the brick them, you know. Keep it clear. And if any weed come, we just spray it.
So more time when the workman them are use the worker and cut the grass.
Yeah.
The grass seed fly. So when the grass seed fly, then use the blow and blow it out. So more time you wash it off. You see all of the grass in between it.
Yeah, yeah.
So it make the grass seed grow, but under the brick it will grow from. In the corner.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, go on. Almost full of it. So over the side there's a border.
No.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah.
What side the border?
They are full of action. Full of action. Yeah, so what we are doing now, we are complete the connection, right? So we run the main from underground. See the pipe there? So we run it from underground, come out here and connect it in the breaker over the original, you know? This evening we're supposed to have some light shortly down there. Yeah, man. So soon we can turn on light down there. So the truck man them finally come. So when them finish take up over there, so them are gonna scrape off this. So we can complete what we are doing, you know. Scrape for this and them can complete the work. Right now, he's making his line, you know, for where to cut, you know. So why do you make that?
Put on brick, yes.
Oh.
And if you make it right, you can spin this.
Mm-hmm.
Outside one.
Moment. Mr. Kyrie.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Which one?
So you think so far, right? Look.
Looks nice, man. I like it so far. Come along.
Yeah, man. Place look like the place look up, you know?
It's good to finally see everything coming together, because for a good while now, for the latter part of the year, the place has been looking crazy. So now we're finally getting somewhere where the place is looking, you know?
Yeah.
Starting to look up. What I find to be quite amazing is the fact that they keep in place when they put them down. I never put nothing there to keep them.
Your pocket. Hey.
Oh, you have something? Oh, you might do it too.
Mm-hmm. Hey. Hey my peeps, what go on? Yeah man, we're there again, you see me? Alright, today is hopefully the last day of the brickwork. Alright, we're experiencing we experienced some problems because of the tractor availability, you know, when the tractor could have come out for move the stuff them for the guy them and stuff like that, you know, but we passed that, and they look to tie up the work now, you know. They called me saying that them kind of run short on bricks, so I'm gonna go check it out to see, you know, what's up, and see if we can assist them with that quickly, you know. Put my border here as well. Yeah, so you're gonna need this one. Me see I go on up here, so and right here, so I don't know whole heap of brick. Give thanks. I don't know whole heap of brick needed. Alright, so I'm here. I get, as I say, 89 square feet more bricks to complete the job, you know? Alright, my beats. The stocks in there, you know? So this is how we come get the thing then, you know? Reasonable price. Yeah, so CNM, you know? All the supplies, sizes, shapes, you know? So this is one of the final steps to completing the job. So here is vibrating the bricks in, setting them right, you know. Okay guys, I guess we'll wrap it up from right here. Just stay tuned, we have a lot more content coming, alright? And just stay tuned as well for a big reveal. You will see the brickwork completely done, cleaned, and the driveway completely set. Just stay tuned, we have a lot more content, guys. Thank you for watching as always. Do remember, subscribe, alright? Links in the description, contact information in the description for the products and services that we mentioned in this video. Alright guys, we out. Peace.